Panic in the 2030 camp after Delish Nguwaya appointed special advisor to the president. Zaipa namashoko anamudanyuka panguva ine achinuka kuzi hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Panguva ine kuchinuka kunzi Nguwaya onekwa a real threat. Panguva ine pari kuonekwa kunzi nhau dzema-constitutional amendments should dzapasa, and panguva ine Nguwaya achinuka kunzi azongo appear from Norway. Uyanga achizikamwa kunzi Nguwaya is one of the closest allies emutungamiri wenyika. Panguva ine is posed a threat to some people vakanga vari closer, very, very close to the president. Wasikaone the recognition of a subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tindopaenda makomisha mudanyara chete. Panic in the 2030 camp after Delish Nguwaya appointed special advisor to the president. Some describe him as a threat. There has been panic, confusion, and too many questions in the 2030 camp after Delish Nguwaya, a staunch supporter of President Mnangagwa, was appointed as special advisor to the president on waste management and environmental issues. His company, Geopomona Waste Management, is currently operating in Harare. Just imagine if the company secures similar deals with all city councils across the country's 10 provinces. He is known for his loyalty to the first family over many years. Those who understand politics and business can see a serious contender emerging. If given the opportunity, Delish Nguwaya could do the unexpected. Doma developments are panguva ine arikuonekwa kunzi they are rising. Pressure iri kurise from the 2030 camp. Mangwana uchinkonzi Nguwaya now achiva elevated to be the special advisor to the president. Panguva ine onekwa kunzi ane high proximity, and panguva ino is now threatening, is now a real threat to some other lieutenants vakagara arimo with the 2030 camp. Pane comment section medu dzafungira aimo kuti diva musiri kuchitiko ichi. Subscribe or like pachoto icon.